Let's do some tapping around releasing and befriending your fears. Let's start on the side of the hand. I have all these fears inside of me. They can be overwhelming. Sometimes it gives me anxiety. But even though I'm feeling all these fears, I'm willing to love, accept, and embrace myself and how I feel. Let's go to the eyebrow point. All these fears feel so real, and I acknowledge them. I feel this fear in my body. I feel it tight in my chest. It feels uncomfortable. But I'm here to remind myself that it's okay to feel scared sometimes. I'm willing to feel these fears without judgment. This fear is a part of me, but it's not all of me. I'm choosing to witness this fear and maybe even befriend it. I know this fear has a place. It might be here to protect me. So I'm willing to feel this fear and understand it. Maybe this fear is trying to tell me something. Maybe there's a message or a lesson here. I'm choosing to listen to this part of me and not run away from it. I'm allowing myself to learn from this fear. And I'm choosing to gently release it. I choose to transform this fear into faith. I'm letting peace and faith fill my body. I believe in my ability to overcome any challenges. I'm choosing to strengthen my faith and believe in myself wholeheartedly.